Hello and hi, my Facebook family and friends. Welcome to mamaeshakitchen Kitchen. I'm your host, Aisha Rashid, and today is Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day to all the ladies out there that got kids or being a mother in some type of way. You guys are blessed, okay? And you are appreciated. So today we're gonna do, we're gonna do brownies for Mother's Day. I love cooking brownies, so I got this box of brownie mix from Sam's Club, and we're gonna cook brownies today. And I'm gonna do a half sheet pan because I'm gonna make it two different ways. I'm gonna have it's gonna be a triple chocolate on one side, and I'm gonna do turtle cake on the other side. So yeah, let's get started. So the instructions on the box calls for 3 bags of brownie mix to make a half sheet pan, because that's what we're making. So that's what I'm gonna have. 3 packs of brownie mix. Start with the first pack. Hold up, let me get my knife. Here we go. Pack and put it in our bowl. Oh yes, y'all get into my Mother's Day outfit. It's so nice. Isn't it cute? Yeah, I'm cute. I know I'm cute. Okay. Can y'all see that? Let me see. Turn that down. Yeah, just a little bit. Okay, we got 1 pack in the bowl. Get this other pack in the bowl. I'm using my hands today. I'm gonna mix everything with a whisk. That's 2 packs. Let's put 1 more pack in there. It's a big bowl, y'all. Y'all ignore Nyla. She whining because she want to come out. All right. Put a sink in there. This recipe calls for 6 eggs, but you know me, I want cake like brownies, so I'm using 4 eggs instead of 6. We can go ahead and add our eggs in. All right. This recipe also calls for let's see, 1/4 cup of water and a tablespoon, but you know me, I'm gonna add a little bit more because I seriously don't think that's enough. I use bottled water. I don't like cooking with sink water. All right, this recipe also calls for a 1.5 cups of vegetable oil. So let's get our oil in. That's 1 cup of oil. Here comes the 1/2 cup. That's a half cup of oil. I'm gonna stir this in. I got a feeling I'm gonna need to increase my water since I decreased the egg. So let's mix this and add as we need it, because once you put it in, you can't take it out. Trying not to be messy, y'all. Lord knows I don't need none of this chocolate on my cute outfit, honey. Put a little elbow grease in there. Get it mixed up. Can y'all see that? See? Get it all mixed up in there. What y'all got plans for Mother's Day? Let me know in the comments. I'm doing just what I love to do. In the kitchen, cooking, baking, doing something in the kitchen. The kitchen is my peace. I love being in the kitchen. Oh yeah, see how well they come together? Can y'all see that? Now we're gonna bake these brownies off in a half sheet pan. Let me show you my pan. Half sheet pan. This is what size pan we're gonna coat it with some Baker's Joy. We're gonna coat our pan with some Baker's Joy. Coat your pan, Baker's Joy. Oh yeah, these brownies gonna be so good, y'all. They made by Hershey's. And y'all know Hershey's makes some good chocolate, so you know these brownies gonna be delicious. And you know me, I'm always willing to kick everything up a notch. So my half sheet pan brownies, one half I'm gonna turn into a turtle cake brownies, and the other half gonna be the triple chocolate brownies. I'm gonna let y'all see how the finished product looks. But I'm gonna put these brownies in the oven at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. I'm gonna add just a little bit more water. I'm gonna do 1/4 of a cup of water. And mix that in real good, and they're gonna be ready to go. Off into the pan and into the oven. I'm gonna stir this real slow, because I don't need no chocolate on my beautiful outfit. Making brownies is so easy, y'all. It's a simple dessert. And it's quick. It doesn't take a long time to make. It isn't very hard to make. If y'all got something y'all want me to try or to make, leave it in the comments. Y'all got something y'all want to see me make? Leave it in the comments. Go to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I got other videos on there as well. Mamaeshakitchen's Kitchen. Show your love, show your support. I appreciate it all. And food truck coming soon, y'all. I'm working on that. That's my goal. That's my dream. All right, can you see that? See how that look? Now we're gonna pull this off up in the pan. I got Miss Wood helping me today, y'all. Somehow my kids misplaced my spatula. So I had to get Miss Woods to help scrape the bowl down. Y'all say hello to Miss Wood. All right, we're gonna pour this off up in this half sheet pan, y'all. This is our brownie mix going into our half sheet pan to bake off in a 350-degree oven for 25 minutes. Set that to the side. All you just spread it evenly in your pan. Oh yeah, I went to the store. I could not find any caramel sauce, so y'all know what I did. I bought a can of sweetened condensed milk. And I boiled it for 4.5 hours in the can, whole in the can. I took the paper off and put it in a boiler with some water covering the top for 4.5 hours. And I'm gonna show y'all how that looked. Homemade caramel sauce, real quick, simple and easy. All right, look at that. Can y'all see that? See that? Got our brownie mix in the pan. Brownie mix in the pan. Now I'm gonna take this to a 350-degree oven for 25 minutes, and I'm gonna show y'all the finished product when it come out. Thank you, Jesus. I had to wash my hands. Okay. Got that done. I'm gonna show y'all the finished product when it comes out. Okay, y'all, right here is the brownies after they have been cooked. Right here is the caramel sauce that I told you I had made. Right here is the finished product, my turtle cake and triple chocolate.